Hey guys, Ty here with another video. Today we're going to be continuing writing the keylogger. Last video we finished writing this callback that's invoked whenever a key is pressed. Okay. Now we're going to continue with updating the file name. So let's define a function called update file name. Pass itself as a parameter. This Python is very sensitive as far as indentation. So we gotta make sure that that's in the right place. Okay. We'll update the file name to start time and end date. So let's do start dt str string equals str self dot start dt. Okay. Here we're replacing the strings with other characters. End string, date string, equals string, self, end date. Okay, self, family, end string. That's this. Space. Probably could have just copied this from the previous string. This, I have some macros for copying and pasting. So let's just do that. Boom, like that. Let's just change this to end. Okay, and that should work. Instead of retyping all that stuff. Okay. Okay, now we're gonna set the file name. And here we're gonna add some variables inside the strings. That's what these curly brackets do. I ended that too early. Okay, so this is updating the file name, and all these are functions. This is defining the function, and this is the function name, and these are parameters inside the function. And all of this is within the scope of the same function. Okay, so now let's get to the next function. Let's define report to file. This will save it to a file instead of emailing it to you. It may be useless for our case because I'm using the email function, but let's just write it anyway. Okay, so we're gonna with open f file name put too many curly brackets. Let's do that. .txt. Okay, we'll open a text file as f print so log file equals f print f plus saved self.file name dot text. Okay, and that opens a file and save the information to it. Okay, now next we're going to prepare our mail, which consists of creating the email address, the mail, the keylogger text, and all that stuff. See here. So define, prepare, mail, self, and message. Okay. Tip art, message from. These are all variables that go inside an email, as you should be aware of. So instead of retyping all that, I'm just going to copy this. Boom, boom, boom. We got 4 of these, I think. So let's do from, to, and subject. Okay, so we got all the variables we need. We actually need from, to, and subject per email instructions. We don't need all of them, but it would be good to send them. So now we're going to do some HTML, some simple HTML, let me say. So paragraph tag, message, okay. That puts the message inside the paragraph to send it to ourselves. Text underscore part equals line text, message, plain HTML part equals find text. Message dot attach. Okay. We're going to, after making the mail, convert everything back to a string as a message. Okay. So now that our mail is prepared, let's go ahead and send our mail to ourselves. So let's define the function. Okay. So we need to connect to our server, which is smtp lib.smtp host equals smtp.office 365.com. Port equals 587. So we're connecting to that port as TLS mode for security because SMTP is inherently insecure. Okay, so we're going to use server.start ls. And go down here and log into the server. The email and password. Sir, now we're going to send it. Okay, server.quit. After that's sent, if verbose, print time now. What did I do wrong here? There, we fixed it. So let's do sent an email to email containing message. Okay, now let's figure out what we did wrong here. So this no, there is no, this goes on the end of that. I fixed that. Okay, so now we just sent our message, email. Okay, so now let's do a report. If you guys want, I can show you guys how to use code snippets to write code faster as well. So let's do define self. Okay, let's do if self.log self dot if self.log is true, there's a log in date equal date. Self.update file name. Okay, we're gonna update that file name. Okay, also if self.report equals email, then we're going to self.send mail email self.log. Now else if self.report method equals file self.report to file. Okay, so reporting to email or file, basically, based on the parameter you give it. So let's go here. Okay, F dot file name. I'm gonna close these curly and square brackets. Okay. Okay. Self.log equals empty string timer equals timer. Timer is not defined, so we misspelled something there. Get that corrected. All right. So now we have a self-reporting method. If something goes wrong, we'll get an email or a text in the location that we specified. All right, and now we're going to start the function. Define start self okay, record the time. Send date time again. We forgot the quotation marks. It always adds double for some reason. I just need one on this side and one on this side. This should be a function. It shouldn't be green because the green means it's a string. So yeah, actually, there we go. You need to move that F outside of that. Once you get used to using this IDE, you'll know what stuff means and you'll be able to solve problems faster. Okay. And then is our start function. Okay, and this is our main function. Keylogger equals keylogger interval equals send report every report method equals email I mean keylogger dot start. So if we wanted to report as file, we would change this email portion to file. All right, guys, and that's it. I'm also just going to show you how to get some extensions in VS Code, because I'm using Python a lot these days. I'm going to look for Python snippets. IntelliSense, that's what pops up the hints when you type in. Python snippets are here. So all of these are things you can type that will show you a function or something to make your code faster. So let's see. Let's find define. Okay, we can write a for loop with this. Boom. Maybe I have to type it. Equals. Yeah, it gives you problems sometimes, but I have to figure out what's wrong with it. But thank you for watching, and I'll actually upload another video.